क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को समझने के लिए सबसे पहले पॉलिनोमियल को समझना ज़रूरी है. सो व्हाट इज़ पॉलिनोमियल? सो पॉलिनोमियल इज a function px of the form a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot 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 plus an x to the power n where a0, a1, a2 dot 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 an are real numbers and an is not equal to 0. You know this thing. This is a polynomial, and since the highest power of the variable term of this polynomial is n, because x to the power n is given, so the highest power of this polynomial is n, therefore degree of this polynomial is n. So this polynomial is of degree n. So what is degree of the polynomial? Degree of the polynomial is the power, the highest power of the given polynomial. Suppose 5 is the highest power of the variable term, then degree of the polynomial is 5. If 6 is the highest power of the variable term of the polynomial, then the degree of the polynomial is 6. In this way, we can find degree of the polynomial. So degree of the polynomial is the number of the power of x, that is the highest power of x. I think it is clear what is degree of the polynomial. Now, if the highest power, suppose ax square plus bx plus c, this is a polynomial and the highest power of x is 2, so the degree of this polynomial is 2. And since degree is 2, therefore this polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial is a polynomial of degree 2, ax square plus bx plus c. This is a polynomial where a, b, c are real numbers and highest power of x of the variable term is 2. Therefore, this polynomial is quadratic polynomial. And how this polynomial becomes polynomial equation? If you say ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, or px is a polynomial which is equal to 0, then we say that this is a polynomial equation. Polynomial equation of a quadratic polynomial, that is called quadratic equation. So how will you define quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, and ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is an standard form of the quadratic equation. You should know about zeros of the polynomial and roots of the equation. That can be clear by taking this example, ax square plus bx plus c. Since we are discussing about quadratic equation, so we are taking an example of quadratic polynomial. This is a quadratic polynomial, and ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. So this is difference between quadratic polynomial and quadratic equation. The value of x which makes this polynomial 0 is called 0 of this polynomial. अगर हम x का कोई वैल्यू लें और इस पोलिनोमियल को पुट करने के बाद इस पोलिनोमियल को ज़ीरो कर दे, तो x का वो वैल्यू इस पोलिनोमियल का ज़ीरो कहलाता है, ज़ीरोस कहलाता है. Since it is quadratic, so definitely there will be two values of x which will make this polynomial 0. There will be two set of values of x which will make this polynomial 0. Similarly, the value of x which satisfy this equation will be called as root of this equation. So root of the equation and 0 of the polynomial, the value will be same if the polynomial and equation, if the polynomial and in this equation the polynomial will be same, then zeros of this polynomial and roots of the polynomial will be same. But the name is changed here because this is polynomial, so we are taking zeros, and this is an equation, so roots. So what do you mean by roots of the equation? Roots of a quadratic equation are the values of the variable terms which satisfy the given equation. If you take one example, suppose x square minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, and we have to find the value of x which satisfy this equation. So if you put the value as x is equal to 1, putting x is equal to 1 in this equation, we are getting 1 square minus 1 plus 2, and that is equal to how much? That is equal to, if you take, that is equal to 2 plus 1, 3 minus 1, that is 2. So x is equal to 1 is not satisfying this equation. So x is equal to 1 is not the root of this quadratic equation. So to find the roots of the equation, we have to find the value of x which satisfy this equation.